Of course, the day I want to go do something, it's raining. Why would I even be surprised at this point? Garage is an absolute mess. I'm really not proud of myself, but I'm kind of in the middle of something. Car isn't exactly going according to plan. That engine is... It's not beyond me, but it's certainly going to be a lot of work getting that thing good, or as good as I want to get it. I did grab this cool new diff, though, for the Miata. Not that I really needed one, but I want to try experimenting with a viscous LSD. I think that'd be cool. Shed is an absolute mess, too, because I can't have nice things. 3D printer is still broken, and it's too broken for me to fix it for once, so I'm going to have to just design a new one. Currently doing that right now, but it kind of sucks to have to do it all on my little baby first-gen Photon. I mean, I guess some parts will be clear, but I'll probably make it out of the nicer ABS type resin, whatever they have. As for the plan for today, even though it's raining, I'm going to try and rebuild the carb, or at least take it apart and see if I need to do anything before I can rebuild it. And let's try and do a better job. I've got 700 gigabytes now, and I think I'm figuring out how to film better, so let's try something new. I just figured out that the carburetor is also missing the idle screw, which is absolutely fantastic. I don't actually know enough about carburetors to tell you if that would impact trying to get it running, because is starting it technically idling? I don't know, but I'll add that to the list of things I'm missing. Great. Hey, Future Kyle here with some context. Every part of the carburetor is accounted for, except for the tag, which I believe it should have, and the throttle screw. Not the stopping screw, but the one that actually adjusts the idle. Without the mixture screw, this thing's dead. But in the meantime, I did get some new parts, gaskets and whatnot, to replace the old ones, as well as the ball valve. I've been trying to track down an idle screw for a while. I'm not terribly interested in the spring or the anti-tamper cap, but the screw is pretty important, because I imagine the needle has to be a certain pitch, and I don't know what that is. New problem, old problem. There's junk in the engine. Well, no, there's bits of rubber from the seals for the push rods, and it's everywhere, and that's kind of a problem. Not sure really what to do about it. I don't think any of it's been able to get into the cylinders, but I've got no way of checking without taking the heads off, and I don't want to take the heads off. So I'm just going to move forward on the assumption that none of them have gotten in there, and just remove the bits and pieces I can find. In the meantime, I've already got a few chunks of it. Actually, I think I brushed those on the floor earlier. I don't have a few chunks of it, but I'm going to try and get some tweezers and fish them out. God damn it, that fountain's still on again. Ugh. I need more of a scraping tool. I'm hoping this spudger pick thing will do the job, but I got doubts. I may need to bend one of the ends into a hook, and that's exactly what I'm gonna have to do. Okay. I think that'll do it. We'll find out. Nope, I need an even sharper. I need like a crochet needle or something. Maybe a really bent screwdriver. Maybe a little strip of copper wire will do it. Who knows? Oh! Something happened? No, it didn't. I got excited for nothing. I'd say we're making progress, but just not as good as I want. Disappointingly, I'm gonna have to poke it further down in there to try and get it back up. Just counterintuitive. Nope, maybe a more traditional poker will work. Nope, that's not working either. Oh, that did it. Okay, now we're on the valve. That's what I was hoping for. How easy will it be to get that out? I might just have to do that. I'm all gross now. Great. Well, that sucks. Suppose it's not coming out. Damn it. Well, there's still some other stuff I can do. The fuel pump, well, no, not the fuel pump. The gasoline in this thing is absolutely disgusting. So, it's probably a good idea to clean out that fuel pump if I'm going to... if I'm going to plan on still using the mechanical one, which I think I will. So I got to get this thing out. Try and take it apart. But actually, you know what? I don't think I can. This is probably sealed. Yeah, screw that. Yeah, I'm done for today. Screw this.